saucepan, a mixer, a whisk and paddle. Separate the eggs, but don't throw out the whites. Now we mix our yolks and sugar.
Let it boil for about a minute, and it'll get really thick. And then we're gonna let it cool down, and then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour.
That looks nice and cool. Mix some vanilla and whipped cream and whip it.
We're gonna mix some rum extract with about a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and some water. All right, so we're going to finish building our tiramisu. Hi, Rowan. Hi, Kevin.
Hi.
Okay, so what are you doing there?
Fitting the attachment on.
Okay, I got the paddle attachment, and there we've got our yolks and sugar. It's been cooling for a while, and we are going to add our homemade mascarpone cheese. Yay!
Do you need a spoon?
Do you want a spoon or a knife or something to kind of get it in there? We don't want to lose it.
I think we should make it. I think we should have.
Okay, so we're mixing our mascarpone with the yolk mixture, and that's going to be our filling for our tiramisu. Over here, instead of espresso, we have about a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder in about, it's probably 3/4 cup of water. And we've just been soaking our lady fingers in that. It's a pretty close taste-wise. Oh, and this is coming together very nicely. This is probably one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. I absolutely adore tiramisu. It is delicious. So this is our filling. And then over there we have some cream already whipped. Traditionally you're supposed to whip it without sugar, but I always add a little bit of powdered sugar to give it a little bit of a sweetness. Just a little sweetness, not much. So we're going to build our tiramisu. Yay!
All right. So what I did, I dipped the ladyfingers inside of the cocoa, and I kind of built it like a lasagna. Here I'm putting the cream stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it was mixed with mascarpone. And now I'm putting the cream, the whipped cream on top. Now I'm putting cocoa powder on.